Welcome guys, this is the brand new CLS. This is not an S-Class, this is a CLS. And oh my god, the first impression is like, what happened? What is this? I'm completely shocked by this car. It is brilliantly luxurious and spacious, and it's a boy's dream, this car. Even though it has one of the smallest engines, the 350D with 288 horsepower, you still have plenty of torque and it really moves, so you can't complain. We're gonna take it out now for a night test drive and play around with it. We've got people following us. This car brings a lot of attention to people. They're like, what the hell is that thing? They see a Mercedes-Benz badge, but they don't know what it is. Because, you know, a CLS normally does not look like this. I'm just cruising around here in the town. It's very quiet, you know, it's extremely quiet. I can whisper, you know. The only thing I can hear is this smooth AC on my skin. It feels like something out of L'Oreal or some French boutique, very, very nice air stuff. I'm not a girl, I don't know what I'm talking about. But the impression you get in this car is like first class in a plane ticket. You know, it's very luxurious, you know. Above what's needed, you know, everything is detailed and perfected by Mercedes-Benz, and they have really upgraded this car from the previous version. This is so much more technological and much more, it feels very well built, this car. Everything just works, everything is just pang, you know, nothing is loose. There's a guy looking at me. Hello. Yes, I'm wearing a POV cam. But yeah, this is the CLS 350D, 288 horsepower. We got AMG wheels, so it really looks like a sports car. The handling is very nice. I can feel that the seat is just hugging me. If I turn right here, the left side of my body is being squeezed, so I don't, you know, move around. So I'm really steady in my seat. I'm not gonna move around even though I throw a corner. Visibility is good, but not great. You know, we have a big thing here, we have a big thing here, but overall, you're just looking ahead, you're not looking back, because people are gonna get smoked. Audi Q3, very you know, that's quite a high car, and this car is not too low. It's quite high up. It has a great road presence, this car. I'm in comfort mode right now, just cruising along, very smooth and effortless. You can not feel the gear changes, you're just floating on a cloud. A Mercedes-Benz cloud that's 1 million Swedish crowns. That's around 100,000 euros. This car is fully equipped, brand new, and a complete dream. Just look at this. There's so many buttons. I don't know what they do, but they look great. The steering wheel looks great. We have aluminium here and cool buttons. And then we have the Burmeister sound system, which is completely crazy. I'm gonna show you if I can turn it on. Let's see here, media. So the bad thing about this is that you really have to look at the entertainment system to understand what the hell is going on. But you also have to drive. But this car has a cool feature that's going to help us out. Can you guess what? This car has autopilot. So I'm going to show. So now I'm going to put the cruise control on 80 and I'm just going to let go of the steering wheel. You know, my name is Harry Potter. I'm just joking. This is also Mercedes-Benz CLS. More technology, you know. Fully autonomous cars is not far away. But nobody's gonna drive like us. Humans, we have passion. Robots do not. But yeah, okay, let's disengage this cruise control and let's put it into sport mode. Okay, so now this little CLS turns into a little race car. No, not a race car. It's still a big, luxurious German saloon car. 288 horsepower, ton of torque. We got some displays here. If I can find the button. Car, dynamic select, motor data, and voila! More Mercedes-Benz magic. So here we are at the closed location. There's nobody here. It's like a construction site zone, whatever. We're gonna accelerate a little bit softly and feel the torque, and we're gonna watch this increase. Here we go. Boop. Wow, tons of torque over 2000 RPMs, and pam, we're doing 81. So this car is very instant, very fast, thanks to the four-wheel drive and all the diesel torque. Fantastic. And the fuel economy is great. So you get performance, you get luxury, you get fuel economy, you get a lot of attention, a lot of looks, but you lose 1 million crowns. Not really sure what to do. Let's drive some more and find out. I have paddles on the steering wheel here. Very responsive. You know, the slightest throttle, the car just whooshes away. There's tons of torque. I'm sorry if I'm moving my head around. You know, I'm new to this YouTube thing and I'm really trying my best. If you have any suggestions, please comment below and I'll talk to you about it and try to improve this channel so we can have more fun. And also like and subscribe if you want to support us. It means a lot. We can drive more cars. But yeah, this is the brand new CLS. Yeah, I feel very cool driving around this car. Okay, let's put on some songs. Here we go. Okay, I'm not gonna play more because we're gonna get copyrighted, but yeah, this sound system is unbelievable. It's like a Burmeister system. Oh shit, did you see what happened there? I went too close to the line and the car really reacted and so this car has a lot of technology. It has sensors that detects if you are going on the white line, it will brake and turn. Okay, you can turn it off here by a button, but it really will grab your whatever and make sure you don't crash, which is also good. Now, what was I talking about? Yes, the sound system. One of the best sound system I've ever heard in my life, period. So, next topic. Yeah, this panoramic roof is not so big, or the sunroof. It's quite small. And this is $1 million, or 1 million crowns. Very easy to drive. Seats are unbelievable. You know, if I would imagine something to be an S-Class, this would be it. I have not sat in the back. We just picked up this car today, but I really think that this is a great car. My father owns the Audi A8, so I have a lot of experience with luxury big cars, and I can tell you that this car is phenomenal. And this is not even the same class as an A8, even though it's a bit older, blah blah blah, but yeah, you understand my point. This is superb by Mercedes-Benz, and this is only the beginning. So I'm very excited to see what Mercedes-Benz has to offer in the future. We're gonna drive this car a bit more, and we're gonna release another POV video when it's light outside, after I've driven the car more and I can give you more feedback and tell you more gadgets and Doug DeMero stuff. So like, comment so you can see my next video, and I'll see you guys soon. Ciao ciao. Nicholas is out. Mercedes-Benz. Oh shit, this sound system scared the hell out of me. Okay, adios.